This car doesn't run. I used the winch to pull it on the trailer. Now I gotta figure out a way to get it off. Not the first time I did it. I'm gonna use this. I'll show you how. I have D-rings in the rear of my trailer. Connect the block, I run the line back to the car, and watch how I unload. Quick and easy. Just gotta straighten it up a little bit. So you can see a little alignment issue in the back. Rear subframe's gone. For the last little bit, I just pull away with the truck and ramps. The ramps stay on the trailer, the car stays in place. I do block the back wheels. Usually the park brake doesn't work. Thank you for watching.